So on behalf of all Nigerians under colonialism, slap back the Nigerian colonial system. And since we have been shouting NSAS, fighting all along, the Nigerian ruling class have been slapping us. So for us, while we do not agree with assaulting anybody, we also want to say that it is an action that begets a reaction. Yes, so since the incident and altercation between Seun Kuti and the police officer, over 3 incidences of police hitting people's cars, brutalizing, and where in Ogun State, a driver of one of the luxury cars was killed. So for us, Seun Kuti prevented his family from being murdered. He decided not to go to the press with all of this propaganda. But the IG, in conjunction with Muyiwa Adejobi and Ben Hundeyin, have been going on around saying all sorts of lies. Doing their government kind of money. And they went to the extent of saying that the police officer that Seun slapped, and all of us saw what happened in that video, has been in coma for the past 7 days. Please come in. I want us to They have gone ahead to search Seun's house. They have searched his cars. They have searched his wife's phones and have done a lot of other things. And they have also made 2 attempts to illegally draw blood from Seun and at the same time take him to the psychiatric hospital. And we all know that the most insane person in Nigeria today is the president of Nigeria and all of the police and soldiers that he has been leading. So we are here today, and that is why we have chosen this magistrate court today. We are not here to discuss with the police. We are here to remind the chief magistrate that is a public servant and that he has done a lot of illegal things. Yes. He gave Seun bail and withdrew the bail. The same magistrate, chief magistrate, had allowed the police to illegally bring Seun back to the court without contacting his lawyers. So the chief magistrate here has been the chief magistrate of illegality. Yes. The chief magistrate of no conscience. The chief magistrate of impunity. So today we heard that Seun was also brought to the court, and they didn't wait for the chief magistrate and took him back because they knew that we are also going to come to the court today. Yes, sir. I want to make this particular warning and promise, because we promised that we were going to end police brutality. Yes. Yes. From 2017 to 2020, yes, we marched all around the streets. Justice for Kolade, justice for Tina, and a lot of other justices. Yes. And all of it coalesced in the great NSAS uprising of 2020 October. And I want the Nigerian ruling class to know that if by tomorrow by 9 a.m. clearly Seun Kuti is not brought back to court and released on bail, we are going to go back to do what we know how to do best. And it is better we correct the narratives that the police, through his PRO, Benjamin Hundeyin, have been feeding the public. Seun on that fateful day was driving on an average speed on the 3rd mainland bridge, and this reckless drunk policeman hit him twice from behind, and he almost skidded into the lagoon. And we must correct this narrative that the ruling elite and the police has made people focus on the slap. And even though he slapped him, we have been brutalized, raped, maimed, killed, and others harvested in police custody, as being seen in Anambra State today. And the Nigerian people have been under the brutality of the Nigerian police. And today, just like Sarasota sang, one day, bushmeat go catch the hunter. The time has come where the Nigerian people will begin to resist their oppressors and begin to fight back. The time has come where the Nigerian people must take their destinies in their hands and rise and face their oppressors. We are not going to stay calm.
Seun Kuti allegedly snapped a policeman. But can the police be fair to actually try him justly? Is there a time that not going to actually be the judge and the jury at the same time? You know, in the law, he said you are innocent but proven guilty. But the police have actually tried to prove Seun guilty, and they are not giving him the chance to prove himself innocent. The court has granted him bail, but they refuse to allow him to actually be out.
As to whether it was right or wrong is always going to be a contest. It's always going to be a debate, and that's not why we're here. So that's what we're pointing for. This young man has been detained like this. You said you wanted him to question, and it's been in your, he's been in detention for about 12 days, protecting the lives of citizens. And we're still wondering what questions are you still asking? We shouldn't be scared. He's giving his own side of the story. Now, in a two-party situation, you hear one side, you hear the other side, and I guess something. What you need to get now is the side of the policeman who was slapped. It's been claimed that he's in the coma, but now what you need to do is to get that side of the story and then compare with what Seun Kuti has told you. So what we are asking for now is that Seun Kuti should be granted bail at least before 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Allow the young man go home. He does not pose any flight risk. This is an individual who himself made himself available to the police and said, look, I will cooperate with you guys to conduct your investigation. Allow him have his day in court. Let him put together his legal team. Don't frustrate his attempt at defending himself. That's what we want. Grant him bail, and he will